1. How do we solve this algebraic question? M squared minus m cubed equal to 150. Without further delay, let us begin. We have m squared minus m cubed. When we move this guy to the left side, that is minus 150 equal to 0. So we have m squared minus m cubed minus 150 could be written as minus 125 minus 25 equal to 0. Let's continue. So we have m squared minus m cubed minus 125 could be written as 5 to the power of 3 minus 25 could be written as 5 squared. This equal to 0. So now, let us rearrange this equation. Doing that, we have m squared minus 5 squared minus m cubed minus 5 cubed equal to 0. Let's continue. Now, it is very possible to put these guys in brackets. So we have m squared minus 5 squared in brackets. Factoring minus outside, we have minus into m cubed plus 5 cubed equal to 0. Now, at this stage, let's recall some beautiful properties from algebra. The first one is difference of 2 squared, which says a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. The second property is a cubed plus b cubed, which is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. Take note of these two properties. Very important. Applying this first property, difference of 2 squared, to this, we simply have m plus 5 times m minus 5 minus, applying this second property to this, we have m plus 5 times m squared minus 5m plus 25 equal to 0. You will notice that m plus 5 is common. It appears twice. That means we can factor it out. So we have m plus 5 into m minus 5 minus this m squared minus 5m plus 25 equal to 0. Let's proceed further. This means that m plus 5 times m minus 5 minus times m squared, that is minus m squared, minus times minus 5m, that is plus 5m, minus times 25, that is minus 25 equal to 0. Let's proceed further. This means that m plus 5 into, let us add the common terms. First one is minus m squared, m plus 5m, that is 6m, minus 5 minus 25, that is minus 30, equal to 0. This implies that m plus 5 is equal to 0, or all of this minus m squared plus 6m minus 30 is equal to 0. Clearly, from this line, m plus 5 is equal to 0. So this in turn gives m equal to minus 5. This is the real solution. M equals to minus 5. The next thing for us to do is to consider this quadratic equation. If we multiply both sides by minus 1, we simply have m squared minus 6m plus 30 equal to 0. We can now easily solve this quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Don't forget, the quadratic formula says m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. From this equation, our a is obvious, it is 1, b is negative 6, and c is equals to 30. So plugging these values into the right hand side, we have m equal to minus, what is b? B is negative 6 minus 6 plus or minus square root of b squared, that will be minus 6 all squared minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 30, all divided by 2 into 1. Let's proceed further. So m is equal to minus is minus 6, that is 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 all squared is 36 minus 4 times 1 times 30, that is 120. Everything divided by 2 times 1, that is simply 2. So we have m equal to 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 minus 120, that is minus 84 divided by 2. So let's proceed further. M is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of minus 84 could be written as square root of 84 times square root of negative 1, all divided by 2. Let's proceed further. So m is equal to 6 plus or minus, first, don't forget, sorry about that. So don't forget, from the complex number, square root of minus 1 is equals to I. So take note of that. This guy now become root 84 times I divided by 2. M equal to 6 plus or minus. We can actually simplify square root of 84 further. We can simplify it further. Square root of 84 is equal to square root of 4 times square root of 21. So this in turn gives, what is square root of 4? That is 2 times square root of 21. So this means that square root of 84 is equals to 2 times root 21. So we have 2 times root 21 here times I. Let's proceed further. All divided by 2. So m equal to, it is very possible to factor out 2 from this numerator. So we have 2 into 3 plus or minus square root of 21i divided by 2. Clearly, 2 cancels 2. We are left with m equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 21i. This implies that m is equal to 3 plus square root of 21i. Let's call it the second solution, m2, and m is equal to, considering the negative sign, m is equal to 3 minus square root of 21i. So let us call this m3. Don't forget the first solution that we obtained. It was m equals to minus 5. So this is our m1. These are the 3 solutions for this algebraic question. That's it. Thank you so much, guys, for joining this live session. Please share your tips Please tell me if this video was helpful, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you in my other videos as well. Have a good one.